Good morning, student of class 2. Today's topic is landform and water bodies. Children, a globe is a model of earth. This is the pictures of a globe. And children's globe is a model of the earth. It is not an earth, it is a model of the earth. Okay? And most of the surface is showing blue and huge water bodies on these globes. And children, in this model of the earth, that is globe, most of the surface is showing huge blue water bodies, that is blue in colors. Okay, and the areas in the other colors shows the continent and the many countries. And on all the lands on the earth surface shows there are many colors of this. You can see in the these are the pictures, these are the colors you can see in the globe. These are the continents and the countries that are on the land of the earth surface. Okay, and the land can be seen as, because it is rises above the water bodies. Okay, and when we see from the top we cannot say how high something is. Okay, and children's tall flag strap on the square base may look like this from the above. From the above on the space, when we can see, it is like a flag strap on the table with a square base, but it looks like from the above. Actually our earth is an round or oval in a shape. Okay, and children, the ground under our feet, that which we are standing, is a land that is made up of soil, rock and sand. Okay, and this is not a ground. This ground which we are standing on, in this ground, this is not an even surfaces throughout the world. Means this surface is not even through all parts of the earth, because there is an surface varies from the place to place. Okay, and children's, there are a main three landforms, like there are plains or a flatland, highlands and lowlands. So plains means the flat areas of a land. The flat area means, like for example, Siliguri is a plains and it is a flat line. Often it is a flat line, and children's, many rivers flow through this plains, and most of the civilizations were most of the civilization were always developed in the plains, and man has always tried to settle and live in the plains, because the rivers which will flow in the plains, they will enrich the, or they brings the fertile soil to this plains area and make it easier to grow crops. Okay, and children, hill is an land that rises in a height, is a hill, and hill generally have a round topped. Okay, and hilly areas are here, or hilly places are cooler than the plains. And children's, people, those who lives on a hillside, and they grow many useful plants in hills. Okay, and children, mountains are much higher than the hills and usually have an pointed tip. Okay, and it is very cold up in the mountains, and which place these top portions of these mountains are always covered with snow, and many rivers were originated and from this mountains with the melting of snow and ice, and it is difficult for plants to grow and people to live at a such great height. Okay, and children's, here are the pictures of the this is the pictures of hills, and this is the pictures of mountains. And children's, in the next class we discuss about the plateau, valleys and islands. Okay.